Miss Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Check it out. I get to Trader Joe's today. I went for the gluten-free chocolate chip cookies and I found the Berry Glow set. This is moisturizing strawberry, watermelon, and blueberry extracts in a bright, fruity vanilla scent. Okay, so strawberry, watermelon, blueberry, and vanilla. I have no idea. I haven't opened it yet. Check it out. This was, I think, $12.99. You know that I love the Brazil nut. So this is the body mist. And does it say anything? No. I'm going to try these out. So first up, the body mist. Check it out. This is how many ounces? 6 ounces. Okay. Do a little spray here. Oh, very misty. Look at that. You ready? Everyone knows what that means. I don't smell anything. It's not strong. It's not bad. It's just very, very light. I'm not getting any watermelon. Maybe a little bit of berry vanilla? There's no, I was like, oh, we're going to get watermelon. Oh my gosh, let's shake it up. Yeah, I get like a berry vanilla. It's not bad, but it's just very light and it's very misty. Okay, let's try the body wash. See what the body wash smells like. Are we gonna get more scent? I don't know. Oh man, nothing. Trader Joe's, what's going on here? Yeah, there is like 0 scent on. Did I get it done? Oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna try one more. I'm getting rid of the packaging. I have a body scrub or butter. I have a body butter. So body butter. Okay, it's sealed. Okay, let's see if I can break the streak here. I got my pen. Let me see if I can open this up. Okay. There we go. You ready? Okay. Can't open it. Okay. I got a hole. I have a hole. Okay, let me see if I can open this the rest of the way. Okay, I got it. I don't want to like fling it on myself. Oh my gosh. Now it's all like goopy. Okay. Now it's just bothering me. I just want to get the rest of the... Okay. Oh, I just flung it somewhere. Okay. I got it all over me. Let's try it. Okay. Wow. Okay. A big fat 0 on the scent. Wow, this is like, it's funny because their Brazil nut is so strong. I just cannot believe how light this is. Again, not a bad scent. If they had just amped it up a little bit, but my goodness. This is no, not the thumbs up. Thumbs down. This is I do not recommend this set. If you want to have any scent, I mean, if you like, some people like unscented stuff. If you just want a very, very, very light scent, have at it. I like the formula. It feels good on my skin, I'll have to say, but it's really light. So there you go. There you have it. Oop, there you go. Trader Joe's Berry Glow lightly scented body mist. Anyway, if you have this, let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.